storage on a Mac, and we're also going to look at how to install R, MikTeX, and RStudio. So the first thing we're going to look at is a little bit about file storage. Now, for this course, we're going to create lots and lots of different files. So if you've never thought about file storage before, now is a good time to start thinking about that. Some people, when they use their computer, they just keep all of their files in their download folder, or they just kind of throw everything into kind of a catch-all folder, and we don't want to do that for this course. We do want to have a dedicated folder just for this course, and really we want to have that file even further, that folder rather, further subdivided. So I'm going to talk about how we can do that here on a Mac. Now there's a couple different ways we could approach this. You could keep all of your files locally on your computer, or another thing that I would recommend consider using would be cloud storage. So you could either use Google Drive or OneDrive, but some type of cloud storage. If you are going the route of cloud storage, what I would highly recommend is to go ahead and get the appropriate app for your computer, whether you're using Google Drive or OneDrive. And so you'll notice over here on the right, I've got Google Drive on here and I've got OneDrive. You can do that by visiting the App Store, and then you can set those up so that they just appear on your desktop. If you want to do that and you need help with that, let me know. If you want to keep the files local on your computer, the first thing you'll want to do is to set up a folder for this course. So for example, notice here I don't have anything open. I've just got the Finder up here at the top. So I'm going to click on File, New Folder, and it's just going to put me a new folder here on the desktop, and we do want to rename that. So let's go in here. And we will rename that CPH 565. So this can be where we store all of the folders. Our files for the course will be inside this folder. And then I would go even further to subdivide this into other folders. So we could click here and click New Folder, and maybe you'll want to have one folder that's just for the notes. Oops. I'll be completely honest with you, I work more on my Windows machine than I do my Mac, so that's why I'm a little rusty here. But again, new folder, we're going to name this Notes. You could have another folder that's maybe for assignments. But this way, as you download different files from Canvas, you can store them here and you'll always know where they are. And again, we're also going to create a lot of files for this course, and so you'll have folders already set up for that. Now, if you want to use Google Drive or OneDrive, you would just do something very similar. So you'll notice here I've got a lot more in my Google Drive, but same thing. So here in my Google Drive, you'll notice that I've already got a folder set up for classes, and I've got a folder set up for our class, and so lots of information in there. But that's how I would go about organizing it, and I would think through, after you've had a look at the Canvas shell, you get a feel for the types of things we're going to be doing in this course, maybe having dedicated folders for those. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to look at how to actually install our MikTeX and RStudio. So to do that, I'm going to open up Safari, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to Google search for capital letter R. And if you'll do that, you'll notice the first thing comes up is the R project for statistical computing. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go over to where it says download, and it's going to say CRAN. This is going to open up a bunch of different mirrors. The easiest way to think about this is these are just different places we could download R from. It's similar to if you were going to go to the grocery store to get a pack of Oreos. It doesn't really matter, if you go to Walmart or you go to Meijer or you go to Kroger, you're going to get the exact same Oreos. It's just more a matter of location and convenience. I typically pick one of the mirrors in the US. If you click on one and it doesn't work, just try a different one. Now we are going to download R for a Mac. So we will click here. And this is going to bring us up all the information that we need. So we're going to get the latest release. So that's going to be this piece right here. So you'll want to click on that, download it, and then it'll walk you through the install process to get R on your computer. Now, after you've got R downloaded, the next thing we're going to download is MikTek. So again, just Google search for MikTek. You'll see it comes here. We're going to go to the download. And you'll notice again, there's a version for Mac. So again, you'll download here and go through the install process and it will walk you through that. Now it is important to download R and MikTek before you download RStudio. You do want to do these in sequential order. The reason for this is RStudio can get confused if you download MikTek later on. If you already have R and RStudio on your computer, you can download MikTek, but you might end up with some problems. If you do, just let me know and we can sort that out. Usually the easiest way to fix it is just to uninstall R, uninstall RStudio, and just go through the installation in this order. So I'm going to Google search for RStudio. Again, I'm going to click on download. We're going to click down here. You'll notice we want the RStudio desktop free version, and then download RStudio for Mac. So again, you'll download that package and it will walk you through the install process. So this is how you get all 3 pieces of software on your Mac. Of course, if you have any problems and you need any help, please let me know and I will be more than happy to look at it with you.